Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So today we're going to be going through the best Shopify themes. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So before we get started on some of the themes, for those who actually haven't looked into the Shopify website builder, it's pretty much just an e-commerce based website builder. And this platform, as a business owner, will help you grow and expand your business within an online presence. Now, as well as that, Shopify offers an online platform for retailers to suit the needs of service. This could be for payments, marketing, shipping, and customer engagement tools. Now, how exactly does Shopify work? So with the themes and the business owner in combination, you can pretty much create a website and customize an online store and use it to sell in multiple places. This could be the web, mobile, in person. You could use it for pop-up shops, and of course across social media to online marketplaces. Now, what's great about using Shopify is that it's completely cloud-based and hosted. This means that you access it from any connected compatible device, and then Shopify will pretty much just handle the software and server upgrades as well as the maintenance side for you. Now, this gives you the flexibility of running a business with a stress-free head, and pretty much just takes you away from all the complexity of running an online store. Now, an e-commerce business requires an array of tools ranging from products, inventory, payments, and shipping. So this is more related into the actual theme of the Shopify. Now, can I customize my website? Simple answer to that is yes. Shopify is based off themes. So if you're shopping for a Shopify theme or looking for something for free, make sure you evaluate each one for its images, how it's been laid out in terms of fonts and colors. Of course, you want to make sure you've got the base structure for how you want your shop to look. Some of these themes will have that. They'll have different layouts, of course. You can have ones where it says, if you have a clothing store, of course, some of them will specify that it's got a men's and women's or clothing or shop. And of course, some of them may have an FAQ, contact and about us, depending on how it's been laid out. Now, the great thing about working with a theme is that a lot of the structural designs or decisions are made for you, so you don't really have to look into that. That's sort of another stress-free situation that you could just sit back and relax with, since it's already been done for you. And as it says there, you don't need to worry about how to lay out your pages or where to put each paragraph within the website builder. Of course, you can customize it to your suit and needs, and you are pretty much open to the customization, which is great. Now, depending how you want to go about it, you can do it yourself if you want to, or if you'd like, you can hire a developer to create your website. Now, the Shopify Experts Marketplace helps connect you with an experienced web developer that you can ask for guidance and someone that you can hire. Now, as well as this, what's great about the Shopify Experts Marketplace is that these developers are going to be remote. So it's not like you would have to go one-on-one with them. Of course, you can do if you want to set up a meeting, just ask them for a structure for a website, get the foundations, a wireframe, anything like that. You can do so, or you can just let them create a website for you, depending on how you want to create the theme. Now, what I want to actually show you is some of the themes that are available on Shopify itself. Now, this is the Shopify themes. As you can see, there's an area for collections and all themes. This is actually the starter page. Of course, I can go ahead and explore some themes and take a look at some of the templates that they have available. And as you can see, they do offer some discounts. They recommend products as well, and pretty much get you on board with how you can maximize selling online. Now, what's great is that you are covered by long-term support, as it says. So all themes get free updates, so you always have the latest version. Of course, some of these offer a better inventory, or a better way to organize your inventory. There are multiple different reasons as to why you would have a Shopify theme in the first place. Now, these are some of the available themes that they have on their front. As you can see, there's one called Ride, and its features is a quick view, sticky header, and a mega menu. Now, that could be useful for you depending if you have multiple products or multiple categories. Then you would want to have a mega menu, and of course that would be situated within the Explorer, just right beside the shop there. Now, to jump on a different one, there's another theme called Yuva. Now, what's different between this for the free one and the paid for version is that this actually includes a EU translation, so it's in English, French, Italian, Dutch, and Spanish. Also has a countdown timer, and it also has color swatches. So these are the different colors that you can pick from, which are primarily themes. So it gives you different options. So this would be one for headphones, so an electronic store. The black one would be more for sportswear or fashion. You got the pink and tan looking one. This would be as well for collections and fashion. And lastly, we've got one for focusing more towards skincare. So there's different options if you are paying the $210 US. Now, of course, if we do scroll down here, of course, we find a couple of more different free ones. Now, with the free, if you've noticed as well, it does only have one option for its theme compared to the one that is actually paid for, where you have different options as well. And if you could see, most of them have an EU translation. Now, what's great about having an EU translation is that you can open yourselves up to other countries, so you can start selling within other countries if they can understand your actual storefront, which is great. So you get the option of choosing whether you want to change the English to French, French to Italian, English to Dutch, anything like that. Now, there are other ones here. As you can see, they've got in-menu promos. This would probably give you a pop-up for when you enter the website, as well as that you've got a mega menu and stock counter. Now, there are different colors to it as well, meaning the different layouts and design, different structure. There's the emerge one for $320. Of course, you may be thinking that's a little bit too steep for a starter. Say you were starting off your business and you're not really looking to spend that much, then you also have that alternative to choose a free version. Now that we've covered all that, we'll actually go ahead and check out and take a look at some of the best free themes as well as some of the best paid themes, and it gives you a option as well to initiate on what sort of theme you want to go for your website or business. So as I said, starting off with the free one. So if you want to go ahead and filter it out, as you can see, we're on the browse all themes. If you see here on the left, all you would need to do is select the free. So just click on that and you'll have a list of different themes. Now it says that there's 11 themes. Now you can choose which one's the most relevant or what's gaining in popularity. So Dawn is actually the most used one, since this is your default one to use. Now it has a quick view, mega menu, sticky header. Next is the refresh. Now that one also has the same features, along with craft, sense, ride, origin, studio, taste, and publisher, and crave and color block. Now, if you have noticed as well, as I've said earlier on, is that the only difference between the free themes and the paid for themes is that you don't really get as many options. Now, don't be thinking that it's not a good don't be thinking that it's not a good theme to use. Now, it really is. It's actually better than most of the paid for themes. Now, with these themes as well, it is highly customizable. So you can choose how you want to lay it out even more as well. You don't have to keep it how they've laid it out. Now, it's all, of course, just a base template theme to use. Now, when you are shopping for a theme, be it free or paid for, you can go ahead and actually filter out which you would like. So depending on the industry that you're in, There's arts and crafts, baby and kids, books, music and video, and a list of the other sort of industries there. Now you can select other as well and select an industry for you there. Now, depending on how you want to, how big you want your catalog size, you can have it from 1 to 9, 10 to 199, and of course with this you can have your features, and of course you can have, so you can have pretty much your features. So this is where you would start adding things. So just say if I move away from the free theme there, if I wanted some EU translations, color swatches, age verifier as well, and sticky header, then you can see a list of the different themes coming up. Since we actually looked into the free themes, now as I said, they are great to use. Do engage on them even if you are a company that's starting off and you want to explore the online presence. By all means, choose the free one first, and then if you get a little bit more comfortable and you want your website to be a little bit more organized, then go ahead and go for a paid one. Now, with the paid versions, I know that the cheapest starts off at $180. So as you can see, this one is 210, but if I remove the filters and remove sticky header, as you can see, the cheapest one is at $180. Now, what is great before choosing your theme, now of course, these are pretty much great and good looking themes. Do note, if you are looking for that specific theme, you may want to look at the reviews as well. So I know that this one's the better ones. I have actually had a look through this, and it supports the translations. It has a store locator as well, color swatches, mega menu, and sticky header. Now, it does have other features as well, which we can go ahead and view. Should be able to view that. Okay, maybe not. So basically, we have 678 100% reviews. Now, these are some of the different actual brands, and with this theme, this would actually help support you. So this is their support and documentation. As you can see, they do have some updates or patch notes or release notes. Now this one's a version 4.3, which was in January 9th, 2023. So it is fairly updated for what it is. And by the looks of it, they do continue to update the actual theme. Now, you do also get some support and you can read the documentation. They've also got some different presets. So this one's District, Energy, and Coast. And by the look of the actual theme itself, it does look really good. You can go and view the demo store as well. And for $220, it's not a bad price, especially if you are a store that's making that revenue or money, and if you want to maybe upgrade into a better theme, then District would probably be one for you. It's by Style Hatch, so you may want to check out some of the different themes that they have. Of course, they've got some other ones there. You can browse their themes. You can get some theme support as well. They've got their own reviews, so they're happy enough to show you as well. So these are some of the other ones that they have, besides the one that we've seen, which was District. So yeah, would highly recommend to check out Style Hatch and to actually use the District Shopify theme. So we'll go ahead and check out another one and see what else they have. Now here's our next one. This was created by Maestro. So they've got 80,000 merchants at the minute as well, and this is the sort of people that they support. For those who aren't familiar, there's Patagonia as well, Tefal, SpaceX, WWF. So they've got their own different themes available. Now checking back, this is actually the first one here. So this is the first preset, which is Allure. Now they also have other presets as well. So Vogue, and then You can even get an insight to how the website will look, be it the desktop and mobile view, and a product as well, which is great, as well as a focused product page. So this may be something you want if you want to get into detail with some of the products that you're selling off. As you can see with the reviews, it's pretty much 91% positive. It's got 504 happy reviews, 10 neutral reviews, and 42 negative reviews. But of course, you want to sort of balance out what's great about the parts. As you can see, they've had a consistent good review for the past month. And of course, they've got their support and documentation. Their last release note was at October 13th, 2022. It does have some features as well. So this theme is great for editorial content, visual storytelling, and physical stores. Of course, they have a cart and checkout, so cart notes, in-store pickups, slide out cart. They've got their blogs, cross-selling, customizable contact form. Now, these are all, as you can see, for the marketing and conversion. This is all great for SEO, so that gets you ranking up onto the search engines for Google, Bing, or Microsoft Edge. They've also got their merchandising where it shows these are pretty much your features. So they've got animation, color swatches, high resolution images, image hotspot, image rollover, image zoom, product options, product tabs, of course, and so on. They've got their product discovery as well. They've got a collection page navigation, enhanced search, mega menu, which you may need, especially if you have a lot of content or a lot of categories. Now they've got product filtering and sorting as well. So depending how many products you're selling, you can go ahead and give the customer an option to filter and sort out a area of what they're looking for. So if they're specifically looking for men's clothing, then they can go ahead and filter out for men's clothing. There's recently viewed as well, so it'll pop up for what you've been looking at and some of the recommended products, so it'll push that out to the customer as well. And you've also got a sticky header. So these are some of the examples of actual businesses that are using Prestige. And you can also view the demo store. Now that starts off at $320 as well. You can go through a unlimited free trial, and then you would have to pay if you publish the site. We'll go ahead and check out another theme. So pretty much what's best is you're looking for the best theme for you. You want to go ahead and see what would suit your website. So here's one called Shapes. It's $320. Now, if we go ahead and check the reviews, we've got 100%, 25 reviews, 100% positive as well. And these are some of the brands that are using the Shapes theme. So there's something. And then you've got a few other stores. So if we click on this, this is their theme. So it's a great theme to have. They've got a lot of different options as well. And those are actual working sites. So with the support and documentation, looks like they've released a patch note or release notes at January 9th, 2023. And they've got updated links to theme documentation inside theme editor. Remove image alignment, offset gallery section no longer needed with focal points. So they do update it and make sure that everything is flowing right. Now this one is created by Switch. Now they've already got a really cool looking website, so you could trust them with something like this. Now this would be more suited, I think, towards a store that's to do with retro or vintage. So if we select the feature, this theme is great for age-restricted products and visual storytelling. It's pretty much great for, that has a sort of retro clothing store vibe to it. Now these are some of the features on it. So just pretty much look through that. But yeah, I could keep going on and showing you all the different themes. The best theme is pretty much selecting what you would prefer for your website. And there are multiple choices. That's what's great with Shopify. Gives you a list of different options to pick from. And of course, if you are starting off, by all means, choose the free. Usually the free is the better theme to pick from. And if I go and see if there's an example, usually paying for it isn't the best solution. Of course, some of them may have more worse reviews than actually using the default themes. But yes, guys, if hopefully you enjoyed the video, and hopefully it is useful just to get you started with the Shopify themes. Of course, if I have missed anything, please do let us know in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much.